Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mumma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am opening a mystery box from my friend Thunderella. But before we get to that, remember, like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything that comes up in the video. Remember, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, hit that notification bell so that you can hear every time I upload. And if you're new to the channel, hi, lovely to meet you. So, my lovely friend Thunderella, Mel, has sent me a mystery box. I don't know if you remember, but a few videos ago I made Mel, Thunderella, Mumma Goth, Jules and Hannah Smaugish mystery boxes. I'll put a link up there and down below so that you can go and watch those videos. And Mel sent me one back. It was actually Mel's idea to do the thing in the first place. She was toying with starting a YouTube video channel. I'm not sure if she's going to do it now, but she does have a wonderful blog. I think she prefers to write. Go view her blog. Again, I will put the link down below. It is so informative. She has got fashion stuff on there, where to get cheap accessories. She talks about dealing with haters in your life and toxic people who bring you down. She's so wise. I love reading her blog. She's just full of feminist spirit and sod you world, and I absolutely adore her. And on Friday we're going out together. I'm going up to London and we're going to go party, so I might vlog it, I might not. We might be having too much fun. But either way, I'm super duper excited to open this box. It's been sat here for 2 days and I've been working, and so I've been like, I want to film it, but I haven't had the time to set all this stuff up and film. So let's dig in. I'm super duper excited. I have my trusty scissors. Let's see what she sent me. Cue the sped up footage. Ooh, shiny. Right, let's break into this bad boy. Oh, it's got stickers on it. Oh, they're cool. It says, oh, it's covered in stickers. Look. Okay, so it says yes and no. Lots of little Ouija board ones. Then we've got, yeah, Ouija board stickers there. Halloween Queen. That's awesome. Oh no, I don't want to tear into the paper because I want to keep them. Right, okay, let's try and find the side where she's not putting any stickers. Oh, it's really strange paper. Right. It's like silver tissue paper. Ooh, right. We have a card. It says Heavy Metal Mumma on it. Let's see. That is my name. Well, it's not my actual name, but you know, that's what I choose to call myself. What have we got? Absolutely fabulous. Dear Lolly, keep on rocking. Can't wait for the London shenanigans. See? Yeah, that's this Friday. Thunderella. Hooray! I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to see you. Oh my god, what is in here? It says the Vault Skull tea light holder. Oh, it's so cute! Oh! I love little skulls. I have little skulls already. Every Mother's Day or you know, any sort of thing where the kids have to get me a present, birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, you know, that kind of thing, they always get me a little skull. And look, I've got another little skull. That's so cute. It's a little tea light holder. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the cuteness of it. Oh, thank you, Mel. It's lovely. Oh, doesn't have any information about it other. Oh, it's from Alchemy Gothic. Oh, you naughty, naughty girl. They're not cheap. You're naughty. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh. Feed the planet. Reusable Eco Travel Cup. I love travel cups. I have so many travel cups. This one's got skulls. I'm so getting rid of the naff Waitrose ones with hearts on. Oh my god. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. That's so cool. It is by Bamboutique Reusable Eco Travel Cup. Now you can enjoy your favourite drinks in style with a clear conscience thanks to this fabulous reusable travel cup. It is grown from renewable organic bamboo. Oh, awesome. it's lovely. It's got such a weight to it. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, Mel, thank you. Oh, I don't know if you know, but I drink an absolute shit ton of tea. Look, I have tea now. That's why we have the Teacup logo. I probably drink about 15 cups of tea a day. So, yeah, I live on tea. When Mel and I went to Gothic Circus in London, I brought my own tea bags so I could make more tea because the hotel rooms never have enough tea bags in them. So yeah, I'm a bugger for tea. Oh Mel, that's so thoughtful. I can't believe you remembered. Oh. Ooh. All it says on this is Pentagram Moon. What is it? Ooh. Oh my god. You can kind of see it through the bubble wrap, which I'm going to save and give to my son. He adores bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely magnificent. And it comes in, I love these little organza bags. Well, you probably realised from when I made the boxes for my friends because I think I stuck everything in a little organza bag. Oh. It does have a smell. It's kind of... It's quite faint. I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, if you can hear from my voice. Slightly fruity. Maybe a berry? I'll have to smell it next week when my nose is better, but there you are, look. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Oh, I love candles. Oh, I could put it in the bathroom and have a candle. Oh, I love having a candle. Sorry, camera just died. As I was saying, I love having candles. I'm putting this in the bathroom, candle in the bath. Hell yeah. Right, oh, what else have we got? You've been so generous, Mel. I didn't expect all of this. Oh, what's that? What's that? Ooh, something dinky. Skull and Roses Vanilla Lip Balm. Oh. Okay, look. You know me too well, Mel. You know how much I love skulls. Look at that. Where did you get all of this stuff? It's beautiful. Oh, look. Vanilla Lip Balm. Oh, that's lovely. Let's have a smell. Oh, it's lovely. Really sweet and vanilla-y. Oh, I'm going to have to fight my daughter for this then. Look at that. Beautiful little tin. She is going to be hankering for this. I'm going to have to hide it. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh. Okay, the lid just came off this. So I was reading a post that Mel posted the other day about a jewellery supplier, Skully Bunting. She makes personalised jewellery. Look at that. Oh, it's my name. Oh my god, that's so cool. Right, off comes the choker. Oh Mel, you're so sweet. Look at that. Go read Mel's blog. She did an amazing interview with the lady from Skully Bunting who makes these. Oh my god. I was thinking about getting one made. It's gorgeous. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh my god. I was going to go with everything. Oh Mel, thank you so much. Oh well, I'm wearing that for the rest of the video now. Oh, that's so cute. And go support a small business, Skully Bunting, because it's awesome. Oh, I'll put a link down in the description box below. And again, like I said, I will put a link to that specific blog post as well from Thunderella, because it's so... Oh, Mel. Oh my god, and then this is full. I saw this at London Edge. Look, it's an Alchemy Gothic Coaster. It says Witch's Brew. I think I posted a picture of this on my Instagram. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm kind of just a bit... I have such lovely friends. Oh, we are the weirdos. Mr. Keychain. Oh, that's awesome. It looks like a little pocket watch as well. Look at that. See, I love the craft. That's, oh, it's like that movie came out when I was just kind of getting into the scene, and I loved it. Nancy is... She was inspirational because she didn't give a crap what anybody else thought. I loved her. I mean, she turns out to be a complete psycho, but you know, I loved it. Loved that film so. Mel, you know me too well. You know how much I love tea. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Hang on, I'm going to take it out of the packaging because the packaging's not very attractive. Look at that. Look at that. That is a skull teaspoon. I mean, that is me embodied. Skulls and teaspoons. See? Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is going to be my best teaspoon. I just ruined about 8 teaspoons the other day because when we drink so much tea, all our teaspoons get covered in tea and they get, you know, that weird brown deposit. So I bleached a load of them, forgot about them, and the bleach has eaten away at the coating on all the teaspoons. So I now have to go and buy a load of new teaspoons. That one is not seeing a drop of bleach. Oh, that's so cute. Look, a little badge. That's so cute. Oh, that's going on one of my coats. There's more in there, look. Oh, fantastic. Witches do it better. We certainly do. Oh, brilliant. There's so much here. Right, this is the last thing. What's this? Witch's Blood Red Shimmer Cauldron Bath Bomb. Candle and bath. Candle and bath bomb. Oh yes. It smells like kind of cherry. There's something floral in there too. I wish my nose was working better. It's fruity, but a little bit floral as well. It smells very red, you know? Again. So cute. I don't want to take it out of the cellophane in case it goes everywhere. Oh, that's so cute. And I think once we've used it, you can keep the little cauldron as well. Oh. Well, Mel, thank you so much. You have been so unbelievably generous to me. I've got such wonderful friends. It's so amazing, this group of friends that I've made from Instagram and from YouTube. I am so lucky. And I joined to make friends, but I never thought that I would make such good friends. That it's just, I love it. Thank you so much. Like I said, go check out her blog. She is so wise and so funny as well, and so stylish. Like, I think she's one of the first people I ever followed on Instagram, you know, and I just adore her. Remember, people, to like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything. Again, I will put a link to her channel just in case she changes her mind and decides she does want to start up a YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Remember to hit that notification bell. And remember, people, stay heavy.